Más por tema de nuestra democracia, de la integridad, la integración de la integridad de nuestro.
This is an emergency alert declared by the Ministry of Civil Service of Spain. You may be in danger if you are receiving this message. Recently, 28 people have lost their lives and 296 people are currently missing. We think this is because of a recent threat composed to the general public by a football player named Messi. The Spanish government has given simple steps to fight and handle this threat. Close all the possible entry points for Messi and do not keep any entries free to pass through. Do not try to communicate or talk with him as he is very hostile and will kill on sight. Hide and be prepared for the worst. Alert the local authorities if you spot Messi near your house or inside your house, but do it silently because Messi has super hearing. May God save us all.
There is no escape. I will find you and slaughter you.
For now, be safe and stay home. Now your regular TV program will resume. End of message.